If you can understand these four forces, you can understand the universe. These are the four fundamental forces. Start here with the most popular one, gravity. So this one attracts masses towards each other. So that's why when I drop this pen here, it will go down. It's really why the universe is bundled up all together and things are not flying away. Well, the universe is expanding, but okay, we are not there. So it is the weakest force, but it operates over long distances. That's why a pen here can attract the moon. So we have another cousin of gravity that's not so popular, the electromagnetism. So this involves electric and magnetic forces. So initially we thought of them as two separate forces, but again, when you read books and when you study, you'll realize science, what they did is they found out that these two forces are not independent of each other. In fact, they are dependent. So this acts between two charged particles. And then we have strong nuclear forces. So these bind protons and neutrons within the atomic nuclei, operate at short distances within the nucleus, right? And then we have the weak nuclear force. So this is radioactive decay interactions are most observed with neutrinos. So this was my third year physics research project. Okay, now let's look at the equations. So here you have the gravity equation. F is equal to gm1 m2 over r squared. This is the most popular one, we know it. So between two objects, this is the gravitational force. Between two charges, we have this one now, the electromagnetic force. So an example of this one is here. So apologies for that. So that's the Faraday's law of induction, one of the Maxwell's equation. So you notice that, or they've noticed, or if you read books, you'll notice that changing magnetic field induces an electric field. So this is an equation here. So you have the curl of the electric field, which is equal to negative partial derivative of the magnetic field with respect to time. And then we come to this one this week. This is the weak force. Now the third force, this is the weak force. So here it's the decay of the neutron into a proton. So this would be the proton, this would be the electron, and this here, I think word of the day is electron anti-neutrino. And then we have the fourth and last force here, which is the strong force. So these here, so this is quark 1, quark 2, quark 3, quark 4. And this here is a gluon. So this is a force binding quarks within protons and neutrons. They absorb information from reliable sources. It will make you a better person. And yeah, so one of the things that I do, so I'm a science influencer, so I make videos from reliable sources and videos that are interesting, videos that can spark interest of people to education, because of most of the things that have led to people not interacting with education, with science. Is how it was taught mostly. It was taught in a punishment way, and you had to finish it, you had to do it and finish it. But that's not how it's like. You are a learner for life.